Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain about introduction to Blender. Okay, the first, we can click the icon Blender to open Blender. Okay, I can share screen the presentation. The first, we can click the Blender icon. When we click the Blender icon, the first, I can view this box. In this box, we can create a new file. The type of file is a general, 2D animation, sculpting, storyboard, visual effect, and video editing. Next, we can look the recent file, and then we can open recent file. Okay, next, we just a general file. Okay, the default of Blender, such as the first is a mesh cube, next lighting, next camera. Okay, Blender have many menu. The first is menu file. In menu file, we often use new for new file in Blender, open to open file.blend, save to save the Blender file, and export or import file to Blender. In menu edit, we often use undo, redo, and preference. In menu render, we often use render image, render animation, and view render, and view animation. Next. Nah, next in menu window, we often use new window and new main window. And the last menu in Blender is help. In this menu, we often use manual or read the manual of Blender. Okay, next, I will explain about the navigation in Blender. Okay, in Blender, we can navigation with the first. If you can movement camera, you can click scroll and shift. Scroll and shift. You can click scroll and shift to movement camera. Next, if you rotate the camera, you can click scroll in the mouse. You can click scroll in the mouse. Next, if you can zoom in or zoom out, you can scroll the mouse. Okay. Next, I will explain about tab in Blender. Blender have many tab. The first tab default is a layout. Next is modeling tab. Next sculpting tab. Next UV editing tab. Next texture paint tab. Next shading tab. Next animation tab. Next rendering tab. Okay, we back to layout tab. Next, I will explain about tools in Blender we often use. The first tool is select box. The select box function is to select mesh or object. Next is cursor. Cursor function is the position the first object. In this example, I will add a mesh, the position in this. Okay, I will shift an A and add mesh plan. Okay, next tool is movement. Movement tools function is to move the mesh in Blender. In this example, I will move the cube. The first, you can click the cube, and then you can click the row in a cube. A row red to axis X, a row green to axis W, and a row Z to axis Z, and a row blue to axis Z. Okay, the next tool is rotate. The function of rotate tool is to rotate the mesh or object. Okay, I will rotate. I have rotate based on axis. For example, I will rotate the cube based from axis Z. Okay. Next tool in Blender we often use is scale. The function of scale tool to scaling the mesh or object in Blender. For example, I will scale the object, the mesh, to based on axis W. Okay. And last is transform. Transform tools is the combination of movement, rotation, and scaling. For example, I can uh, scale the cube. Okay, next I will explain how you can add the new mesh. You can click Shift plus A in keyboard, and you can click the mesh. Next, you choose the mesh you can add. For example, I can add the cylinder mesh. Okay, for explainer about introduction to Blender. Okay, see you in the next video, everyone.